Oh, this doesn't have the intro. Where's the intro? So where's the main Space Jams? Hold on. It is this one. That's the one I just loaded. Oh, is it this one? Let's just run it and see. Okay, it doesn't have the intro. Is it 34? Well, you know, the intro actually worked, I think, so. There it is. Okay, so that's what we want, and oh, these are cool. Okay, see, so that's the weird shader, yeah. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We're getting back into our Space Trader game that we gave up on because of switching to this GPU, and then it showed the little thing that you... Okay, bitmap font planets. Custom GUI. Where's the intro? Game state show title. Show title. Space PLMN1. I bet you that's where it's at. So Space PLMN1 is the planets one. So it's class planets 127. Is that where I put it? SP Super. Aha. Okay. So we're going to look at that. And not this. Okay, let's just add it to our happy little thing here. Ba-ba. Okay. All right, and we can reference that if we need. Let's create a new class then. Although we can actually use this one and then just delete what we don't want. File save. Okay, so let's change the name of this. Number of Supershapes. Oh. Oh. Okay, so we're just going to use Supershapes. Supershapes. We're just going to call it, excuse me, SS. Okay, shader, 15 planets, 8 moons, objects. Okay, we don't care about that. Bum 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 bum. We'll leave that. Super dup? Why do I have the dup? We're not sure. Sup? SP location, velocity, title state. Oh, that's for the center of each one. Okay. Could do that. Let's just go back to what it was. For now, that's good. This is cool. Moving, exploding. Okay. Not sure why I have that yet. Okay, we don't need the planets or the colors. Okay, planets and moons, we don't need that. Nearest index, last nearest, we don't need that. Ship weapons, ship fire, fire angle, fire distance, ship index. I don't know why we have that in here. Space state, title screen, normal game. We don't need that really. Title particle. I don't think we use that. Let's comment it out and we'll just delete it later. Okay, the change based on state, init data, render, update data functions, recycle, eval, set state. Space state. I don't think we use space state. Okay, so let's figure this out here. So it's SS is the name of the class. Okay. And it's going to be background Supershapes. Is that too much? Let's just call them shapes. We already know they're super shapes, whatever. Is that good? Sure, that's okay. So BK shapes. Okay, so the first thing we'd want to do with our BK shapes, we're not going to have a texture. So it's basically just going to be like the stars, although the stars are just points. So let's go BK shapes dot and let's do the init data. But then we're also going to need BK shapes underscore. Computer, will you take? Thank you. And I'm trying to type exactly what is right covered by the IntelliSense. The IntelliSense does the exact opposite of what it is intended to do. Oh yeah, we're going to need shaders for this, but it's actually... The shaders are very similar to the stars. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Space Arena, huh? Let's just go Space Trader. Shapes 001.vs. Hello. What was that? Something glitched. Something glitched. That was weird. Yeehaw. Oh. Ba 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 da ba. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 ba 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 da ba ba ba. Ba 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 da ba ba. So the cleanup should be pretty easy, I guess. SS is the only one that we didn't use. Okay. SS cleanup. Okay, so we're gonna have a VAO, VBO. We're not gonna have the, and this we're gonna actually rename SS. SS. So we're not gonna need those, and this is done. Let's move it up. It's our first function. Our first super shape function. Excellent. Oh, oh, ha, ha, ha. So let's go up here. Void SS clean up. Dubby Kong Dub Tendo. Ba-da-ba-dum. Da-bum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. Okay, I don't think we need to see... Wait, where did it go? Where did it go? Uh-oh. Because we took it from... Class Planets 127. Why did I get rid of that? Class Planets. There. Oh, because I copied it. Okay, alright, but that's okay. Let's just... Too much coffee. Maybe not enough. I have more. No. Ba-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. Okay, so let's go down to... Render, huh? Draw the lines for Supershapes, 1024. Okay, so let's... Oh, here's an easier one. Let's go with this. Computer, how long is it? Good grief. Got that. Let's bring it up and change it up here. Okay, so we want to change this to SS. SS init VABA void SS init VAO VBO. There we go. Okay, we're gonna delete this one. Planets look like flowers, moons look like flowers. Okay. So where's the one? Position, color, GST grid type, size, lines connecting planets and moons, position, lines of Supershapes. Okay, so let's just go above here. Get rid of all that, I believe. Yeah, there we go. So SS VAO, SS VBO, SS VAO. We're gonna have the VBO. SP Super. Okay, is that? SP Super dupe. Oh, I remember why I have this now. Whoops. Let's double click on stuff. Let's see what Visual Studio will do. SP Super dupe. Okay, so this is like the original one that gets created. And then because when you use that to recreate, okay, all right. That's insane. Supershapes are very processor intensive, so this would be a good, interesting. This would probably be a good one for a compute shader, but I am nowhere near ready for the compute shader, let me tell you. Okay, size of SP Super, alright, so that's fine. 233, so that's 8, that's good. 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, all that blah blah blah, okay, good. Phew, tough stuff. Point size enable multi-sample, I don't think we need any of that. Pardon me, had to burp, pardon me, had to burp, pardon me. So does this do it? This now playing Moog City from Helint. I'm chatting in somebody else's chat. In the game Chops chat. Okay, so that takes care of the init VAO VBO, and I'm actually saying it correctly now. Imagine that. So, what's recycle? GL, what does that do? Render, P recycle. I'm not sure. Does not look like they use the super shapes. I use the super shapes in there. Okay, render looks like it's easy. Whoop, we're stealing render. Super shapes, render. Planets and moons, asteroids and crystals, projectile for ship. Okay. Space 1, draw lines, connect the line, draw lines for super shapes. Bind vertex ALG line with his line. Okay, boom. Space state is lines, draw line. Okay, so we don't need that. We just need this. There you go. Is line equals 1? Pretty sure we're not going to use that, but bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum 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 da 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 bum ba dum bum 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 ba ba da bum ba ba da bum ba ba da bum ba 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 da bum ba ba da bum ba 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 da bum ba ba da bum 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 ba da bum 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 ba da bum ba 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 bum ba da bum ba ba da bum 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 bum. I don't think we're going to need this get nearest palette. I think that was for something else. So we're going to delete that. I think the eval is directly related to the super shapes. I recall that. I recall it. Okay, update data. Okay, so did we need to do a knit data before we Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-bum. Here's the initialization of the Supershapes right here. Actually, it looks like it's update data. Ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-da-bum. Bum-ba-da-bum. Bum-ba-da-bum, ba-ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Bum-ba-da-bum, bum-ba-dum. Bum 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 ba-dum, bum bum ba-dum, bum bum ba 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 bum ba-dum, bum ba 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 bum ba-dum, bum. Let's take the eval as well, because those are both. It's all for the Supershape stuff. So. Ba ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum. Okay, so we're going to leave this. We have to rename it SS. I don't think we need anything above this. Boom. Okay. Boo, boo. Space state equals 1. Oh, I see, yeah. So initially, that's title screen. Oh, I see. So they will spawn from, yeah. We want them to be like this. So what is that? Random that times 2 minus that times 0.75. So that's kind of towards the center or wherever. We're not inside a loop, we're inside of a loop. Okay, and then this one, we're going inside of another, okay. Oh, I go back and forth between space state 1 and space state 0. Alright, let's just keep going. I call them anomalies, that's cool. Set random location, choose a random angle, choose a random radius, convert to Cartesian coordinates. Okay, this one. The other one's better. Choose random location around center of screen. Set velocity ahead to random location around center of screen. Oh. No, let's just go with velocity there. Just go random velocity. And then, yeah, that'll do. And then this is because you want it to be, you know, one direction or the other all the way around. And I could actually do this a little bit different, but for now that's fine. That's fine. Temp colors, super radius. Super angle equals super angle, super step. Create duplicate of original. Oops. Okay, so that actually works. And then what's this recycle? I think I looked at that before, but I choose angle for direction of travel of an asteroid. Choose speed of asteroid. A index. Okay, so recycle does not apply to the Supershapes at all. We don't use it. Crystals. Oh, I didn't change the... We're almost ready to see what we broke. We're almost ready. All right. Took out the recycle. That one's there now. Okay. Successful conversion. That's crazy. So then we go into here. Bam 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 bam. Dot bk. Init data. There we go. Okay, and we don't have shaders yet. There we go. Ba-da-da-da-bam. Why does it have a squiggly? Oh. What's the PD? Oh, that's the, okay, hold on. Well, what we should do with that... See, because we should get another... See? Computer, not helpful. Oh, BK shapes, that's why I was just, okay. Alright, hold on. There we go. Okay. So now the update data. PDX1, PDXY. Yeah, see, that's... Where did it actually use it? It didn't use it. Well, we'll have to move them around. Oh. Well, we'll see that when we do it. It's, yeah, we'll have to come back and do that. I just put that in. Some of them are caps and some of them are not. Jeff, what the... Okay, I don't think this is going to work, but we'll see what it does. Did we get errors? I didn't see. Okay, we got errors. All right. I always close my eyes when I compile. Okay, the first error, SVBO, undeclared identifier. Where at? Really? Wait, SSVBO? Oh, it is. Good catch, computer. Good catch. P-eval identifier not found. What did I call it? Did I change the name? Oh, we're not changing the name. No. TP undeclared identifier. What was TP? Did I close the file? Open class planets 127. What's TP? Title particle, title screen variables? SSVal, what? Where is that used? I don't remember. But I don't think we actually need this. For now, let's comment it out. P eval. Did I change it there and not here? All right. Oh. All right. Well, we're getting closer. That was the last error. Convergent double. Okay, let's see if that. Well, we won't see anything because I didn't do the shaders yet, but I just want to make sure if we got everything as far as compilation. Okay, good. So no Supershapes, of course, and there was an error there, of course, for whatever. Okay, all right. Now, so we don't. I don't think we use those title screen variables. And the other stuff that I commented out looks like it's right there. Yeah, this was. We can get that from the other file if we need it. I think that everything else should work, so let's get into where's the main, not that one. We don't want that anymore. Background stars, we don't want that. And see, we don't have it open. Okay, so main, space, gems. Ba 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 ba. Here's shader, here's shader, here's shader. Okay, so background, where was it? Stars, planets. Was it in this one? Open, space, planets, 112 VS. Oh, I don't want to open it there though. Let's go into here. Phew. Okay, now what was I opening? Space Planets 112 VS. Okay. Okay. Open Space Planets 1112.fs. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so position color that fascinating. R color, grid type, okay, all that, blah, 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 I think. Okay, R color, fascinating, grid type, okay, so N11, hash 21, flower 3, not going to need that. Crystal 1, I don't think we're going to need that. Crystal 1. Okay, decide if drawing lines or points, so if lines we do that, yeah. Okay, so we really don't need all that stuff, we just need this. So we don't need anything up here. We're not using grid type, we're not using fascinating, we're not using anything but our color. I almost overwrote the file. Did I save? I don't think I saved. That was a close one. You're funny, Jeff. You're funny. Main space planets 1. Space Trader Shapes 01 dot. FS. Okay. File save as. Yes. Okay. Good, I didn't change it. Okay. So at least we have the shaders. Did we include render update data cleanup? Did we clean up parts, space gems cleanup? Okay. SS dot BK, no. BK shapes. SS cleanup. And then here, do we call the ship velocity for the shapes? Yeah, but we don't use it. Okay. Foop. Foobar. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that to work. Cool. Okay, break time. Okay, just put some chicken in the oven. Those are gorgeous. So, what they are is amazing. They are. Moving, exploding. Oh, I see. I just moved the position of them all. So here's where it's actually created. So I think at the moment, those are a little too... Let's make them twice as big just to... I think that's 4 times as big, but still. Yeah, they look really cool. So interesting. Oh, so if we're just doing all this in the vertex shader, so really we don't need to calculate this because the rotation is only going to change. Oh, okay, hold on. No. Well, if we brute force it, I mean, if we just start with the... So what we want to do is send in a rotation. But no, that's close. You know, which one was the one? Original experiment, vertex shader forms and grid multiple asteroids, geometry shader, grid multiple asteroids. Here. Okay. Updated geomran 4, updated geomran 4, updated geomran 4. Okay, let's load that one. Updated geomran 04. So the rotation, okay. Updated geom rand 4 GS. Oh, good, it's applied. Right, it was applied here, excuse me. So new position, scale, position, rotation. This is local. But what I would be doing with the super shape is because it's already so there's okay because I'm okay, all right. So they're already kind of set in place, and then the position is just so excuse me. So is the position we just add the velocity. So I'm just adding velocity and there's no oh, and they're even bouncing around. Okay, that's fine though. So why don't we, instead of doing it that way, Jeff, because what we want to do, let's have since we have an addition going on every frame anyways, why don't we just accumulate velocity, SPA nom. So if we go like this, because we have duplicates, because I made the duplicates, and it doesn't look like they're being used. SP_dup equals super index. Okay, SP super_dup. So for the update, SP super equals position equals okay, so first of all, if I just just do that, they're just going to be all static, right? They don't move. They don't move around. Okay. So then if we go SP super, super index, oops. Okay, dot position 2D equals SP super dup. Okay, super index dot POS 2D. What is the position? Computer, where? SP super dup equals, oh, that's, so it's just a duplicate of the, oh, it's just a vector 2, it's just positions. That makes sense. Okay. Where was I just at? There, so it's just positions. So it's going to equal that. And then why don't we just add the cumulative SP anom I dot total velocity. And then the SP super index plus 1 dot POS2D is going to be SP super dup super index plus 1 dot SP anom I dot SP total velocity. Super index plus equals 2. Okay. And then SP anom I. Okay, so then we come down through here. Location. Oh, wait a minute. Why don't we do this? What? What are we doing? Oh, why are we doing that? I mean, that's just what I was, the whole idea behind what I was. Why don't we just generate all of them at 0, 0? And then add this, and then add the velocity. That music's messing with me. At the moment. Okay, so we have this, which we don't actually use. SP location plus velocity. SP and we don't actually use that. We use it, the velocity. Okay, this is update data. And so, okay, so hold on. Jeff. Location, velocity, total velocity. Okay. I thought this was too easy. I thought it was too easy. Lemon squeezy. So location. Oh. So when I initialize these, SP location equals that, and then velocity equals that, and then location, where does that get used? Oh, times. Location gets set there. No, just POS2D. Wait, where does this get used? POS2D plus location. That's in the initialization. Oh, okay. So that's like the world transform right there. So we apply velocity to this, and then POS2, okay. Oh, and the duplicate gets the same location added as well, okay. Hold on, let me wrap my brain around that for a second. So what I'm trying to do here with total velocity, why do we even care? Because why don't we just take POS2D equal to the location plus... So why don't we leave SP super dupe here? So super, we can do that. Super dup. I already did. Hold on. So I create a duplicate and then I apply this location. So I already did this. So the duplicate doesn't have the location. So the duplicate's like the template at 0, 0. Nice. So what am I worried about up here? Okay, so all right. So let me try this. Hold the phone for a second. Bum, bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. So let's do this. Give me a copy of this. So each time through, why don't we set the position equal to the SP super dup? Plus 1. So that should put them all at 0, 0. No velocity is applied, but the velocity is applied to this SP anom. Okay. So will they all be at 0, 0? Oh, and that looks cool. They are, and that looks cool. That's a screenshot. I'm not gonna. That's a screenshot. That's cool. Let's just post that up real quick somewhere. Okay, so that does work. So each time through, let's just add, so we keep track of this location. So why don't we just add spdup plus sp anom sub I dot sp location. Oh, computer, you are funny. Because it's already getting the velocity added to it, wrapped around everything, all that fun stuff. So now they should move around, but they don't start at a random position, each one of them. Do they? Oh, they do. They do start at random positions. So this is like before. It's just that for some reason I didn't do that before. I'm not sure why. I don't know why I didn't use that before. So, okay, now we have 16 of them, and we just need to send in 4 rotation variables, or 4 floats, 16 floats for the rotation of each one of these, and then apply the rotation. But how do we do that in here then? So what we want to do, Supershapes, we could do it right here, really. We could just receive the rotation. So what actually happens, yeah, okay. So we're not actually getting an instance, we're just drawing points. That is very interesting. So if we were to do this, what we should do is prepare a rotation and then a translation. Because that's what we're going to need for every single vertex that comes through. So we'll draw it, because it will be, right, centered around 0, 0, then it's rotated, then we translate it into position. Would that work? We better save. Save. 2. Okay. Supershapes. 2. Is this Supershapes fragment shader? We're not going to change that, but there we go. Okay, let's make sure I didn't break anything. Okay, so it all still works. Okay, I'm taking a break. Okay. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, so this is per velocity. We don't use this, so we don't need that. We do need a rotation. And we don't use that, so let's just go there. Okay, so then when we go into init data, where's init data? So each supershape we just want to initialize so sp_anom sp_anom rotation equals glfloat random. Oh wait, do we need to do that since we're going in all directions? No, okay. Or yes we do. Because the rotation will be... Or are we thinking of rotational velocity? Oh, we do need a rotation velocity. Hold on. So let's just go ROT. And then we'll go ROT VEL. Try to keep the... So the rotation will be there, and then the rotation velocity is what we want to be right here. So what's the rotation velocity going to be? The anomaly rotation... So it's gonna be gotta be really small, right? Like it's a like what angle do you want to turn? Well, what else rotates? What else rotates? Stars. Oh, the asteroids. What's their rotational velocity? ROTV. Yeah, so this is what I used to set it here. Let's just copy that. So 100 divided by 2, which is up to 0.5 plus 0.2. So it's 0.2 to 0.7. Okay. Okay, so just setting the rotation and setting the rotation velocity. So this will be an initial rotation. And then to use that, so each time here, this will be the final step. So, okay. So build rotation matrix. apply rotation matrix. Wait. We don't need to do that here. But those we do. Okay. Actually, the build rotation matrix is right here. Build rotation matrix. Oh, that's not bad. We're only doing it 16 times. So apply rotation matrix, of course, we have to do that. Okay. Okay, so it's actually going to equal GLM mat2. It's just going to equal, what is it again? I forgot. It's in the shader though. It's not in here. Did I hit something? Okay, so first we want to calculate the cosine, so GL float. R cosine equals the SP anom sub I dot rotation. Cosine of the rotation. GL float R sine equals sine of SP anom sub I dot rotation. Okay, now the rotation matrix is equal to R cosine, comma, negative R sine, comma, R sine, comma, R cosine. Okay. Apply rotation velocity. So SP anom sub I dot rotation plus equals SP anom sub I dot rotation velocity. And then we apply the rotation matrix here. So we want to rotate it from the original SP super dup, and then we want to apply the location. So this will change after I do this, but SP super sub super index, okay, dot POS2D equals SP super super index dot POS2D times, what did I call it? Rotation underscore matrix. Computer, you're not helping me out here. POS2D is vector 2, so that should work, right? SP super super index plus 1 dot POS2D equals SP super super index plus 1 dot POS2D. Or wait, what am I thinking? It's not this, it's super dup. So it's going to equal the position is going to equal super depth times rotation matrix. The next one's going to equal super depth times rotation. So that's going to rotate. Okay. And then the position is not going to equal the super depth anymore. It's just going to equal what we just transformed. Dot POS 2D the other way around. Plus location. Okay. All right. So really, excuse me, really we can just take that and put these in parentheses. And just do this all in one step. That way there's only one memory lookup. Not that it matters. I think Visual Studio might optimize that anyways, but I doubt it. So let's just get rid of that. So this does the rotation and the translation. Now let's see what that does. Oh. Going a bit fast. Okay. Kind of thought that was a fast rotation velocity, but I went with it. So let's divide by 2000 and let's add 0 to instead of that. Still very fast, but they're rotating. Oh, and do you see the warping from the not applying the aspect ratio? Okay. So once we rotate, hold on, init data. So the position ID equals rotation plus, okay. So what this becomes is a vector 2, but we just want to go with a temporary vector 2. What in the world? What in the world? Yoshi on a half shell. Kevin Villico, year of the Yoshi. That is funny. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Oh, okay. I'm not sure that this will work. Because what we want to do is rotate, apply the, oh yeah, okay, hold on. So we want to do is rotate that, apply the aspect ratio, and then add this. Yep, ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-ba-bum. Computer, what are you doing? It's like exactly what you tell me to do. Nice, but they still rotate way too fast, so... Computer? There we go. That's a little better. That seems totally awesome. I have learned so much about rotation recently. Good grief. Okay, I'm gonna take a break again. So that's really interesting. Excuse me. So this way some of them can be very small. I think I see warping. The rotation is way better though. Yeah. Okay, everybody dizzy? Are we good? Everybody good out there? You dizzy? Okay, so that's cool. I think I'm gonna end the stream now. That was an hour and a half. We're just working our way through this freezing period of time. I do have other things on my to-do list here. We're going to take off the... actually, we're going to leave optimization up there, but we're going to move it down on the chain. Just because Supershapes... Actually, it went really well. I really think that went really well. I really did not think that it would go that well. So, I might head over to Twitch and play some Minecraft and stuff, and freak out from there. So... I should revive this project. It was fun to steal the Supershapes from that project. And there's very little to do to finish this demo, so I should finish the demo. But it's all about motivation, and for some reason I don't seem to want to do it, but we'll get it. 5 years from now. Hey, I finished that demo. Good grief. Alright. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, lurking, liking, commenting, subscribing, supporting me on Ko-fi, all that fun stuff that nobody's done yet, but hey, we'll get around to it. So turning in applications is where I'm at this point, but it's not going to happen until after this freezing part is over, so Friday or later. Oh, this is some good music. I like this. It'd be fun to play Minecraft with that in the background, I think.